past 4 years, Matthew has participated in both cross-country and track, where he was a co-captain this spring. In addition, he has been involved in the school musical and drama productions, the yearbook staff, and the challenge team. Matthew has also acted as a volunteer in the elementary school this year as a classroom aide. Outside of school, Matthew is involved with Boy Scouts and is an attendant at his local church. Matthew plans on attending St. Bonaventure University in the fall, where he will be studying psychology and criminology. Mike Seeley. Mike has participated in the boys' football, basketball, and wrestling programs. He was nominated to both